What up, YouTube? Giving y'all an update what I got going on here. Alright, I told y'all last time I got the 6th order in here. It's still under construction. Some of them big boy 30s. I'm gonna give y'all a sneak peek of what I got going on. My new door panels. 410s, 4 tweeters. See, no handles, door poppers. I'm waiting on my door poppers to come in, and and y'all ain't seen this. I done put the stripes on it. I just put these on it. Now, sitting low. Got the plate on the front. GXP plate. Yeah, it's raining out here and all that. Yeah, both of my babies. Just giving y'all an update. This thing, I did straight pipe it all the way through. So, no mufflers, no cats, no resonator. I did a little bit. It's dirty, I gotta clean it out. Added some stuff to the interior, but I'm gonna let y'all hear this thing start up. So, just giving y'all an update. I haven't posted in a while, but yeah, I'll be bringing y'all more videos of this boy. This boy here is nasty. Oh, let me see. I got a lot of junk in here right now because the seat's unbolted and I'm working on it, and but let me show y'all this. Some of the 6th order wall in there. This is my old door panels here. Kind of hard to work. As you can see, my custom built subs. That's one. It looked like a sundown, but it's not. But you can see. But just a little update. Got it sealed off. I gotta wrap the doors. So yeah, giving y'all an update, but I'll check back in with y'all.